So question, or should I say questions, what's the real reason or reasons why the World Cup Reggae Girlz have still declared themselves unavailable for the upcoming friendlies against Chile in the next FIFA window? Why are these girls still not prepared to represent their country? Assuming, of course, that what the JFF GenSec said is true, that all the money owed to the girls have been paid up in full. What now then are the issues? Do the girls want to get rid of the Mike Rickett's administration completely, including the General Secretary and the head of the technical committee? Do they want to appoint or handpick their own administration? And what if all these wishes or requirements are never forthcoming? These girls will never represent Jamaica again. And who would that benefit? Would that benefit the girls individually or the overall Reggae Girlz program? Would it benefit Jamaica's football? Will someone tell the Reggae Girlz to try and answer the Mavericks call? Because we need some answers. Yes. We know, but we need some answers to this question. Yes. Tell them who was. All right. Yes.